すごいWoo! Today I'm riding my 2021 300 TPI. Be back on it. The rainy season has finished now, so the real summer hot and humid weather has started. So always in the summer try and ride in high elevation places. This area is around 1,000 meters, so a lot cooler than Tokyo, but still fairly warm. I've got a fan vest on to help keep me cool. I'll maybe do a review of that. In my last video I mentioned I bought a 150 carb model. It's a 2019. I haven't got that ready for riding yet, but in the next week or two I'll do my first ride on that, and I'll be sure to make a video. And I'll be making lots of modification videos about it as well, so look out for those. And super slippery, really good fun. Sugoi! Wow, that just shows the importance of wearing good boots. That huge rock hit me just there, but I think I'm okay. I did a midweek ride which I was going to upload some video from because it was super muddy and really fun, but my GoPro played up, so I only got about a minute's worth of video. Oh, 危ない。すいません。Payback. Oh, that was so close. Watch the other guys come up there. That's a good.